It's among the world's largest urban clusters, home to major IT companies and one of the foremost economic centers in India. The National Capital Region, NCR, is on the cusp of becoming a center of global excellence. However, NCR's burgeoning cities like Noida and Greater Noida faced immense pressure on their road networks. A massive population base comprising professionals, students and residents relied on their personal vehicles for commuting, triggering heavy traffic congestion on roads, long wait hours, stress and frustration. Not to forget the rapidly deteriorating air quality and increasing greenhouse gas emissions caused by vehicular pollution, posing a major risk to people's physical and mental health and raising serious concerns over sustainability of the cities in the long run.
The massive population growth in twin cities of Noida and Greater Noida placed an immense pressure on the city's mobility infrastructure. People were mostly dependent on roads, transportation, and had to endure a lot of hardship to reach their destination. Because of the alarming rate of environmental pollution and health and safety issues, there was a critical need to introduce a safer and a greener solution for mobility.
In 2019, India's mobility infrastructure got a major boost when Noida Metro Rail Corporation (NMRC), in collaboration with Hitachi Rail STS India Private Limited, a Hitachi Group company, introduced the much-needed Noida Metro, a 29.7 kilometers network serving 21 stations between Noida and Greater Noida and connecting the twin cities with existing Delhi Metro network, thus ushering in a new transport lifeline for easy mobility across Noida, Greater Noida and India's capital New Delhi, and in the process transforming millions of lives for an improved quality of life. To bring digital rail transformation, Hitachi leveraged its credible and decades-long OT and IT expertise and implemented its technologically advanced communication-based signaling and train control system CBTC, thereby laying the foundation of an eco-friendly mass rapid transport system that ensures highest level of passenger safety, speed and efficiency. Exemplifying collaborative creation and excellent project management, Hitachi team worked day and night shifts with its partner to deliver the project in a record time of 28 months.
For Hitachi Rail STS India, passenger comfort comes first. We have always tried to use innovation and technology to create a better experience for our passengers. And that is what we did through Noida Metro, by offering seamless connectivity between Noida, Greater Noida and Delhi. Hitachi has enabled millions of commuters to travel comfortably across major landmarks, residential societies, companies and educational institutions in the National Capital Region. A world-class commuting facility will make these cities an ideal place to live and create immense opportunities for residential and commercial expansion in the region.
Hitachi's CBTC solution, with built-in automatic train operation and automatic train regulation features, such as automatic speed regulation of the trains, is helping operators improve metro performance and deliver safe, punctual and reliable services on a regular basis. On the passenger side, CBTC uses automatic train protection features to provide passengers protection against collisions, excessive speed and other unforeseen challenges. Hitachi's CBTC data communication backbone further powers real-time passenger information systems and ticketing, thus delivering a richer travel experience to the passenger.
Through this landmark project, Hitachi Rail STS delivered its globally recognized CBTC solution to make Noida Metro one of the most modern metro networks in the world. On one hand, it has empowered rail authorities with seamless integration with existing networks, automation, energy savings, reduced maintenance cost, and improved scalability. On the other, it has liberated people from traffic congestions and empowered them with safe and speedy commute till the last mile.
For powering an elaborate and efficient communication system for Noida Metro, Hitachi deployed its critical fiber optic transmission system. This allowed highly reliable means of voice, data and video communications between Operation Control Center, stations, remote substations and the depots. Further, Hitachi provided practical and classroom training to the operations and maintenance personnel of NMRC, ensuring smooth running of the metro service. The Noida Metro Line, also called Aqua Line because of its eco-friendliness, stands out as one of the greenest metro projects in India. All 21 stations of the Aqua Line have been awarded Platinum rating by the Indian Green Building Council for adopting best green practices. Supporting a growing daily ridership of approximately 15,000 to 20,000 passengers, Noida Metro is fast becoming the preferred choice of millions for seamless travel till the last mile.
पहले जब मेट्रो नहीं थी नोएडा की है तो मैं बस से ट्रैवल करता था, तो जिस वजह से कभी कभी आप जानती है बस आने में भी लेट हो जाता था, तो रात में आने में बहुत डर सा लगता था। नोएडा मेट्रो आने से बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है। मैं तो आपको भी कहूँगा कि ये बसों का चक्कर छोड़ दे, अब सब मिलके नोएडा मेट्रो में ही ट्रैवल करें।
So basically I'm a college going student and I tried metro when the offline classes were announced. So I think it's really safe, it is convenient, and now the fast metro has started. So I think I'm reaching my destination in about 20 minutes and I think it's the best way to travel, so everyone should give it a shot. Thank you.
Hitachi is propelling economic growth and sustainable expansion of cities by providing a robust mobility infrastructure. Our integrated rail solutions are helping build a cleaner, greener and sustainable transportation network in the country. Through this pioneering social innovation business initiative, Hitachi has contributed to enhancing the social, environmental and economic values of the nation. By using a regenerative, energy-efficient rail system, Hitachi is enabling its partners to contribute to the government's vision of a sustainable and low-carbon society. By ensuring seamless travel experience for daily commuters with last-mile connectivity, Hitachi Social Innovation is powering good and improving the people's quality of life.
Faster trains, driverless operations, improved customer applications and seamless journeys. The future of rail transport is promising, and Hitachi is all geared up to meet the rising expectations of commuters with its digital solutions that are future-ready and scalable. By making commuting an energizing and safe experience for the daily commuter, Hitachi Social Innovation is powering good.